Hey everyone, David Valentine from shavingart.com, Instagram at shavingart. Make sure to follow me there. Guys, before we start this unboxing of this amazing product, I just want to thank you guys for the last video. Thanks for the support in that, the last video with the tea, the retro tea cut. Amazing video. You guys are giving me amazing feedback on that. And today, I'm bringing you an even better video. I feel like this is a product that a lot of people are hyping up. It's an amazing product because, you know, shavers are so important. And, you know, we have the best, the wireless. We have 5-star senior wireless coming this spring. We have everything else coming. But when it comes to shavers, shavers are super important. For all of you professional barbers out there that know what it's like to have a good shaver that can just come through for you, cut quick, clean. I'm gonna be unboxing the BrAun Series 7 for you guys today. So let's hop right in. I don't wanna waste time. Remember, like, comment for more videos in the future. Another thing is, I'm gonna be comparing some of these shavers, and I have a treat for you guys after this video. We're gonna be putting some of these babies head to head. Right here I have one of the machines that I might be putting this head to head with. I also have a Series 9 that I wanna see if it outranks these two. But let's hop into the unboxing. All right, so we're here ready to unbox this baby. What do we have here? Made in Germany. It's a wet and dry shaver for those of you who shave your faces when it's wet. And I guess this is sponsored by the NFL. All right, let's flip it this way. Here you have an image of what the machine looks like inside, I'm guessing. And it's like cleaning, the way it cleans the machine. Something that really caught my attention here was this, that 2-year warranty. I think it's on this side. You got a 2-year worldwide warranty on this. Incredible. I'm guessing you could just send this into the company or something. Oh, on the top of the box, you have, gives you an image of what's actually in the box. So you have the shaver itself, the dock, you also have a carrying case and a brush. It's pretty interesting. I like the box, I like the presentation. It's nice and big though. Like if you compare it to my hand, it's about hand's length all around. Pretty nice. So let's pop it open. Here I have my straight razor. Alright, let's find that opening here. Let me actually stick it in and slide it down. There we go. We're gonna put that down. Oh, that pops open nicely. So it pops open sideways. Here you guys have a manual. Let's check out this manual real quick. Move this aside. Oh, a nice little manual with instructions in there. I never tend to read this because they're pretty self-explanatory. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. So we have cardboard here. Let's move that out of the way. What do we have? Ooh, the goodies. Everything's wrapped in plastic. This is the dock right here. Let's take that out of the plastic. See what it looks like. We're gonna connect it and play with it a little bit. Ooh, look at that. It's awesome. It looks good. Alright, I'm guessing that's where it makes contact to charge the shaver. Ah, I see what they did there. They put the shaver inside the carrying case. Let's unzip this. Hold on, give me a second. Alright. Let's unzip this. I can't wait to put this baby to the test. Look at this. Looks amazing. Awesome. I like. So I'm guessing this has a little contact place back there. Gonna stick it in there like so. And it looks like that. It's pretty cool. What else is in here? Ah, this comes with some type of liquid to clean the machine. I'm guessing that's what the machine does. And the power cable. Awesome. So let's see what this thing has on it. See the details. Let's see. You have You have a battery life and you have a hygiene meter. This thing has a hygiene meter. This is awesome. It's interesting. I thought it had a trimmer in it also. Oh, there it is. Has a trimmer that pops in and out for you to trim yourself and then shave yourself. This thing is probably out of charge. And it also has a meter. Something that I didn't see in other shavers. You could actually control how hard this thing is going. Let's pop off the head. Let's see what it looks like without the head. So you can lock in the head, I'm guessing, on this side. And you can pop off the head on this side. So let's see. Oh, it doesn't pop off. But pretty sure if you press the button and push it out, boom, popped out. And that's what it looks like inside. Very interesting. All right, let's play with this thing. I'm gonna have it run on some clients, and we'll be the judge if it cuts well or not. So let's see what's gonna happen, guys. So this is the Series 7, and we're gonna give it a shot. Let's see how well it cuts. Nice and powerful. See how well it. Give it a shot on a really rough beard my friend has here. Wow, it's cutting amazingly. You can see how, for a professional barber, this can cut time in half. Just one swipe, you're pretty much shaving right away. Definitely recommended this machine for any professional barbers. Between this and the Series 9, we're gonna see which one has a little bit more power. This is definitely comparable to the Series 9 because I've already tried the Series 9 because one of my friends bought it. This is amazing, guys. Look how quickly that just runs through the hair. Alright guys, so you already know the Series 7 cuts amazing. Well, that wraps up my review on the Series 7. If you guys want to see the 5-star finale review, click on your screen. I'm gonna have a link there. And subscribe, comment for more videos in the future. Thanks for your feedback, community. Stay tuned for more.